welcome back to another video. Today's video is very interesting out here. Today we are going to discuss about HP Pavilions GM1 out here. A very interesting gadget, a very different design out here, a very different model out there. This was based out on the platform or the technology out here used is AMD Vision technology. Yes, AMD Vision technology is being used. Basically, this gadget out here from this series, which is basically for the corporate world out here, or some of the gadgets might be from home use. So this gadget was basically designed for the home purpose. Talking about this home use budget, we can say it offers you budget friendly gadget, LG display, compactable, and it's compactable out here. And talking about this variant, talking about this version, we can say that this variant out here offers you great specifications, great range of working out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, then we can see that this variant out here offers you a good processor, that is the CPU out here. Processing ki baat kare, if we talk about the processing out here, it offers you AMD processor out there. Yes, AMD processor is being used along with AMD chip system. So AMD chip system, AMD processor is being used out in this variant. Along with that, if you talk about the core system, then you will find that it offers you dual core system. Yes, it offers you a dual core system out here. Along with that, it offers you a good operating system. If you talk about the operating, then Windows operating system is seen out here. Along with that, 64-byte computerization could be seen. So overall, if you talk about this variant, then that is really amazing. Offering you a dual core system, a good functionality, it offers you a good cache memory also. Cache plays, or we can say memory plays an important role. And talking about the cache memory, it offers you L2 cache memory with 1 MB installed size. So 1 MB installed size could be seen out here along with that L2 cache memory. So overall, it's a very good functionality. Talking about this memory processing out there, talking about the memory out here, we can say that it offers you a memory speed of 1333 megahertz, like 1333 megahertz. So overall, it's a good memory speed out here, 1333 megahertz out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that the memory specified completion, or we can say the what kind of specification you can see this. It offers you PC310600 type specifications, complications with the memory. It is related to the speed out here. Whereas the installed size of RAM is approximately 4 GB. Yes, 4 GB is the installed size out here. You will find that it offers you 4 GB installed size out there. Talking about this install size, let us discuss about the RAM type. It offers you DDR3 RAM type. Offering you DDR3 RAM type, it offers you a good storage. It has got a single configuration, that is the 4 GB configuration only. Apart from that, if you talk about the maximum support size, then it offers you 8 GB maximum support size. So 8 GB is the maximum support size offered out here by this variant. So you will get a good RAM quality. Now, when we are talking about this RAM, we are talking about everything out here. Let us talk about the hard drive storage also, because hard drive storage plays an important role. Talking about the hard drive storage, then we can say that the hard drive storage is approximately 320 GB. Yes, it offers you 320 GB hard drive storage. Along with that, it has got a hard drive storage of HDD type. Yes, it has offering of HDD type hard drive storage, whereas you get to have a spindle speed of 7200 rpm. Yes, spindle speed of 7200 rpm could be seen out here, which is really amazing. So overall, you get to see really good functionalities out there. 7200 rpm could be seen out here. So this is really good and worth it. Now talking about HP series out there, talking about this variant out there, let us talk about the functionality, because it is said that HP designs its gadget in to work optimally in the harsh conditions also, in the very harsh conditions also. And talking about these harsh conditions, let us talk about the display and everything. Talking about the display, it has got a screen size of 29.4 centimeter. Yes, it has got a screen size of 29.4 centimeter out here. Along with that, it has got a LED backlight display. Yes, LED backlight display along with HD Bright View technology or the Bright View out here, HD resolution. So overall, it is LED backlight HD Bright View display. This is really good to see this kind of a variants out there, this kind of versions out there. They are really amazing because LED backlight, LED display, HD resolution, Bright View technology, these kind of things could be seen. Along with that, the screen size is also good. 29.4 centimeter is the screen size offered out here. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, let us talk about the graphical processing also, because graphic plays an important role. And talking about the graphical processing, then we can see that ARM Radeon HD is a good graphical out here. ARM Radeon offers you good graphics. Talking about the ARM Radeon's graphic processor, this uses 6320 graphics out there with a shared video memory. Yes, it offers you a shared video memory out here. When we talk about graphics, it is related to multimedia, webcam, everything. So does it offers a good webcam? It offers a very interesting and a very good webcam with a good capturing resolution. Along with that, stereotype speakers, microphones could be seen out in this variant with beat audio. You get to see beat audio also. It offers you a good range of connectivity with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB connectivity 2, USB connectivity 3, audio input output jack. It offers you power connectivity. No optical drive connectivity is seen yet, so you will not find any optical drive connectivity in this variant. SD card reading connectivity, multi-card reading connectivity, card readers out there, they could be connected out there easily. Apart from that, you also get to see that this variant offers you a good battery life of 6 cell lithium ion battery with a capacity of 55 volts. So 55 volts lithium ion 6 cell battery life could be seen out here. Now let us talk about the pricing also, because pricing plays an important role. For that, let us visit out this website, which is justatclick.com. Justatclick.com offers you great pricing. It offers you great specifications, as well as this site offers you a huge savings. Yes, you can save a great amount of savings for your gadgets, because they are offering you a great deal with pocket friendly rates. Yes, this is offering you pocket friendly rating out there. Apart from that, you also get to see that there is an option available out at this website, that is customizability option. Yes, you get to have customizability option available out here, so you can customize your gadgets accordingly. Now let us search this gadget out here in this search bar, so that we come to know about this gadget. When we just got this version. So this is the result out here, offering you a bag free under the condition of refurbished. So now let us talk about this refurbished condition also, and we can see a small description is being offered out. So you can check out the description, and let us now talk about the refurbished products. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand certified refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products and brand new products are actually same like. They are actually similar. They have got the same design. You will get to see the same functionality, same testing. Everything is same out here. The same kind of things have been used internally, externally, everything is same. You get to see that the brand new products and the refurbished products are actually extension to each other, or we can say every refurbished product was once a brand new. Yes, but it is not necessary that every brand new product might be refurbished, but yes, every refurbished product was once a brand new. Now what is the major differencing out here? Brand new products are directly from the company, whereas the refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. Yes, you will get to see that refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. How? Let us see this pathway. Let us see how this chart flows out there, how the pre-ownization works. For brand new products, brand new happens to be by the company. Company releases every new gadget out here in the market, and that new gadget is termed as brand new. It is released in the market where it's being sold off to different users out here. So it is a bridge between the company and the user. Now, once the gadget is being sold out, it is being sold out to the user out here. What happens? The gadget is pre-owned. You get to have that gadget. You own that gadget now. What happens after a few months? We want to resell that gadget and wants to have something else. So this pre-owned gadget, now this gadget which is pre-owned is being resold to another user by this flowchart, or we can say by the same pathway out here. Now the user, pre-owned gadget user sells, or we can say sells it off to a new marketplace. That is where the gadgets are being tested, verified before launching it. So they are sold off there. Now the website resells them. Now website wants to resell that gadget, the new user, and that website sells it off. Now here lies a slight difference. The company, before bringing out into the market, checks it, verifies it, everything is done on various different sites. Whereas when we talk about the marketplace, when we talk about the refurbished products, the testing, verification, everything out here, proving everything has to be done on the same site where it is being resold or where it is going to resell this product. So everything has to be done on the same site. So this is the major functionality or the major pathway followed out. Now let us talk about the uh, testing parameters, because designing is same, we said everything is same. So what are the testing parameters? Talking about the test parameters, we can say that the testing parameters involves nothing else but the external and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say that external parameters are the ones which can be directly checked out, yes, direct through the eyes, or we does not require any equipment or tools, anything out there. That is not required out there. Now, talking about these functionalities, they are very quick out there. What are these external factors? Like the display. What kind of display? Scratches or not on the display. The design, dimensions out there, weight, battery, uh, camera out there, connectors like the USB connectors, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectors, or input-output connector, power connectors, uh, charging, battery staying charging or not, work timing out here, uh, whether all the keys are functional or not, touchpad is working or not, whether they are being placed properly or not, power button out there. So all the components which can be checked out without any equipment out there has to be categorized under the external parameters. Now talking about the internal parameters, these internal parameters includes the internal components. Now what are these internal components? These are nothing else but the internal components includes the softwares. Yes, they requires highly designed softwares, highly designed equipment, uh, like the internal processor out there, the processing system it uses, internal components like graphics out there, the internal points of the battery, connected points out there, uh, resolution, display, which kind of is it offering you the same display or not? In pre-installed Windows out there, the Intel processing out there, the webcam installed graphics out there, each and every single processing memory, type of memory, memory speed out here, everything has to be checked. Now, talking about these parameters, once they are crossed, they are certified as refurbished or certified refurbished products. Now, when we talk about these products, we can say that they have been verified now. What would happen if it fails in any one of the production, in any one of the tests? It has to be renewed or replaced by an original product from the company itself. Yes, it has to be replaced by the company product out there. The company has to replace that gadget or that particular part out there from the original product. Now when we are done with this, when it is renewed, it is absolutely ready to be sold off, it is categorized now as a refurbished product. Now what are the advantages of having a refurbished product? Because there must be some advantages. Now when we talk about advantages, number one is the pocket friendly rates. You get to have pocket friendly rating out here. Yes, refurbished products offers you pocket friendly rate out here. Along with that, you also get to see that brand new products are actually expensive, whereas refurbished products are slightly pocketable. So there is a difference in the pricing. So you get to have a good amount of savings. Yes, you can have a good amount of savings also. So savings and pocketable rates, everything is done. So what would happen if brand new products are offering you 1 year warranty and exchange policy out here? But does pre-owned gadgets also have only the same? Because we have seen brand new products are offering you all these things, but mostly refurbished, or we can see the pre-owned gadgets. Actually, pre-owned gadget does not offer that. But when you have a gadget under the category of refurbished, yes, if you have a category written on it, refurbished, you get to have 6 months warranty along with that 70 exchange policy. Yes, 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy is being offered out with refurbished gadgets. Now let us talk about that gadget once again. So you must try out refurbished products also. So let us check out this website once again. It is offering you large section, we can say you get to have a great range of products from various reputed brands. Yes, you get to have reputed brands out here and a great collection out there. Apart from that, it offers you great deals, that is pocket friendly rating out there, we can say pocket friendly rates out there. Apart from that, it offers you a huge savings. Yes, you get to have a great savings out there. Along with that, 6 months warranty is also being offered on this website. So 6 months warranty is also being offered. This site, that is just at click.com. Yes, the description has the link, just at click.com. You can check out the description box out there, or you can click on Google and type just at click.com. The website name has been highlighted out here. Apart from that, this website offers you some more functionalities. These are like free home delivery along with money back guarantee. So you get to have an exchange policy also. The free shipping is there, so you will get to have a COD also. Yes, you get to have COD and free shipping along with it. Talking about the shipping timing, it might vary if your gadget is customized gadget. If you are customizing your gadget, then it might take some time. Otherwise, it usually takes 48 hours in most parts of UAE, whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. Depending upon the availability, you can check out the website. For best pricing, visit out the website. Description has the link, and you can also check out the website from Google, that is just at click.com. You can also call on the helpline number which is in the description box. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.